Okay. So what we're doing this week? So today I'm put on some new meal. It's gonna be pickle with tajin and chamoy. I already tried this, so I'm putting her on. And you need a plate. So let me give you one so you get the pickle. Yeah, here you go. Wait up. Put in the pickle jar, okay? Go for it. Oh, you got it? Yeah. Pickle. Yeah. If you don't like pickles, get out our face. What she said? Shake up. She said, all right. All right. You prepare it, and I'll just try it. Yeah, I'll try it. So, do you mind? I don't know how if she wants it. She wants to things to go on the side or it to go on the pickle. You can put on the pickle. Yeah. Tell me when to stop putting that. Like, Jesus Christ, I think that's more than enough. What's on my mind? It came out so fast. It's okay. Well, it looks good. So now, just like sprinkle it. Don't do it like, yeah, there you go. There you go. All right. This is so good. Oh my God, my mouth. Okay. Girl, pour. Girl, that's not enough. Girl, I'm scared of it. Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. I'm scared like if it goes like that. There you go. There's some line. Go for it. All right, you ready? Ready? 1, 2, cheers. Good. How do you rate this? That's 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Yep. It's so good. That's good. That's good. Bye, y'all.